So yes guys, before the video start, me need you to like, share, comment and subscribe. And guys, please turn on post notification because you know now turn on the post notification for the post notification. Post them. Enjoy this video guys.
Oh, that squash?
Squash man.
A squash 6 bars that I must dream your dream. Squash? So I'm gonna answer. Alright? You good?
Feel great.
Ready to take on the new rhythm here? Before we start, how you plan to take on the new rhythm here?
Wicked.
Yeah, start rhythm now. You ready?
That's a wrong bang.
John, no artist, we never want to break your vibes.
Hey.
So everything good? You ready? You sure? Me now cut you now. Be there's a 6 now replace again. Are you?
If I'm not 6, then I hope.
No. We see them post a bag of things from Pink Was. How them eat us so?
So them no like me, but me no like them either. Idiot.
You know what? Then we start advice. Because they don't make special for you, you know? Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Hey. Yeah, strike it. Strike God.
What?
Hey. Every girl loves sex. Because
Bomba, down the body DJ. Take your phone call.
yeah, Shaban. Fool him, man.
6 bars, we never hold there, no? Say night I come. Come in and drop a new track, no man. Come, you can't go down.
Babes, you know your mouth started from morning.
So you got to work, 6 bars.
Me get girl naturally.
Yeah, got it, no? One more phone call again, me DJ.
Labas to make them live, them not learn. From boy for them, they know the money transfer.
Six bars, how I go on? I am so fast.
Them a pre-me for girl mighty.
How long you time to come back in the studio, dog?
Many years.
Jesus is Lord.
Subscribe.
Every gal want lick it G like lollipop. Me take away a boy gal right on the spot. Me no power with no loot and the whole of we a chopping. A tilt up mark X ring 12 fat. Every gal want lick it G like lollipop. Me take away a boy gal.